Morning. We're in a 1931 Ford Model A. We'll start up here and we'll go for a drive. So you got key on, fuel valve on, pull out on this choke. Starter's up there. And adjust this. I go about half a turn out. Make sure you're in neutral. Handbrake is on, holding the vehicle currently. Spark advance is about halfway. Throttle is nearly all the way up. Actually, it is all the way up. You got a cigarette lighter here, and then there's a switch right under the dash here for your two fog lights. We're showing 1,413 miles on this odometer. That could have been since restoration. That's my guess. Really cool maroon color with yellow wheels. Go ahead and pop the windshield forward here to show you how that works. Loosen those up, push. There you are. There's all your fresh air. Nice warm day. It really does move a lot of air. Tighten those down. You have a visor. Windshield wiper. We'll switch to the on position. The motor makes noise, but I don't think there's a wiper arm attached. You have two mirrors on the top of the doors there. Runs good. Amp meter shows we're charging. Fuel tank, it's got about 8 gallons in it. Should be just about half. Windows both work. Crank. Very nice. I'm gonna leave that cracked. Same with this one. About as far down as this goes, but it does go all the way up just fine. All right. No signals, so you will need your hand signals, unless you want to add them on the column. Oh, that is it as far as operation. And what we got on here, we got a horn. Rather quiet. Here's your headlight switch. A little sticky, actually. All right, let's go for a drive. Clutch in, left, and up is neutral. There we go. Brakes work good. Clutch feels really nice. First, left and down. First. Right and up is second. Still in second. Going to third. Nice rear view mirror. There's third, and we're doing about 25. We'll top out about 35 miles an hour when we get out on the regular road. This is just a park road. But everything's feeling good. Temperature, you can see the little red mark on the gauge there on the radiator cap. Visor's working. I got a sun glare, it's getting blocked. It's a really solid car. I don't hear any clunks or bangs or anything like that. Responsive steering. No unusual bangs over that giant bump. It's really good. Now to downshift, you will have to double clutch. Gas, clutch. There we go. Still in second. And we have cross traffic. So down into first. Good amount of traffic. A little early into third. We'll run it out. There's 30. So you want to run second out to about 25. Then into 30. Or at 30, get into third. That's just how this one feels like it likes to work. Alright, that's about 35, 40. That's about where you'll run out with this car. Running really good, staying cool. We're gonna turn down this side street. So with 35, 40 being your top speed, don't jump on the highway or anything like that. But parades, cruising, you live close to work and you can just putt around, this would be really fun. But this is gonna be your weekend, you know, putting around, downtown cruising, that kind of fun stuff. Parades, events. Maybe you throw it in a showroom, you know, that's kind of neat. All right, well, that'll do it for me on here. Check it out, frankmanmotors.com. Any questions, give us a call. Anything else you'd like to see or like to know, click the I'm interested button on our website. Someone will be in contact. Other than that, on YouTube, I need you to like, comment, and subscribe. That all helps my channel. And if you got some free time, watch another video. Everything helps. We'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.